Hi friends, today I am going to show you some Excel functions. So sometimes I have seen that people struggling to know some of the very important functions, how they can do in Excel. So sometimes I support them. I thought that it's a good opportunity to share it with you. So first we will look into how we do VLOOKUP. For that I have selected some of the data here. So we will do VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP function. If we want to know particular month sales, this is here. You see that this month sales. This is sales product A, sales product B. So for the month of March, this would be variable color here, so we can change it this. So here sales A, sales B, sales B. So here we will do VLOOKUP March, the table here. So sales A in column 2, so we will select 2 comma 0. This is for absolute value, then get this amount. So if you want to know for sales B, the same formula. So if you see the formula, the variant is March, and here the same table and column 3, 1 2 3. So here we'll change only, this is the change 3, so it's keep changing. So if we want to know December, just select change here, then it keep changing. So here see that December. So if we want to know March, we selected April. Sorry, it should be absolute, exactly how it is here. So April, see here 1750 3300. So this is VLOOKUP function. So next we'll go for pivot. Pivot is very much used. So how we can do pivot of this data table? So insert pivot table function. We have to select the range table. This is the range, so we need to go down, then we will select OK. So then we need to select what are the data should be on table. Here filters, columns, rows, values. So we will take in column, in row. So here month will select here in row. Then we need sales A, so we will keep it. Sales A in value, so we will get exactly same replicator. Sorry, here this is sales B. So we will refresh it, so it comes here. So if you want to change it sales B, remove it from here and put it here sales B, so you can see sales B. So it's quite simple, but if there is a large amount of data, you can play with. And if you want to know particularly for a month, so we can do in filters here. So in filters you can select here only for February. So here is that, something like that. So again sales A and B you can select here. So sales and B will come here like this. So if you change month, if you change month April, then numbers will get changed here. See that April. So this is pivot function, and a sum if function. For example, if you replicate I'm sorry, it's hanging. So we copy paste the same content here, and we want to know that what is total of January for the month. So January repeating here 2 times. So we will see how sum if will give you January total for the month of Jan. We select Jan. So how is sum if this data comma January, go to this table for sales A. This should be total. We need to get it for sales A. So it's coming 2000. So here see that 1000 and 1000. So if we change this variable to Feb, this will change automatically. You see here Feb 1250, Feb 1250, 2500. So this is about the sum if formula. So this is sum if formula, and this is pivot. Okay, then sum is very easy. So here if you select equal to sum, bracket open, select the range, bracket close, enter. So you'll get it. If you want for next sheet, just copy and paste it. So in order to copy, you have to select Ctrl C and Ctrl V. Again you can do the same way like this. If you Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl plus C equal to copy and Ctrl plus equal to paste. So or else you can do here right button. So here copy function is there, come here in this same, then here you have options here. Paste, either you can paste here, so it will come, the absolute value will get the same, paste the formula will not function. So if you want to formula, then everything you paste here, so it will get it like this, or else Ctrl C or Ctrl V. Next one is count. If you want to know count how many numbers instead of total. So if you want to here equal to count, bracket open, select the range, bracket close, you will get the count. So same way Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So you will get this is exactly same. If you delete one, it will go Control. This is 3. So if you delete 3 items, it will go 21. So just for reference. And next one is that average. If you want to know average of this many numbers, so select average, bracket open, select this many items. This is average. So Control C, Control V. Instead of going to that function as it is, you can see Control C and Control V. It's much easier. It will make it like this. So if, for example, if you change some of the numbers, you see that number is getting changed. So average will get changed automatically. If you want to sort it something, so here this is an absolute value. So if you want to put some numbers to sort out, so here see that I pasted here the same thing because it was formula there, then sort will make it disturbance, so I made it value pasted. Then if you want to sort data, you have to go for home, data, get sort. So it will ask for sort by what? Sort by sales A, then smallest to largest, then it will sort by based on this row, sales A. So this pretty simple. So this is all about, so it's very simple. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you for on next video. Thank you.